So we are here for the Jaswantgarh. So the brave heart who actually stalled 200 Chinese aggressive soldiers. He is the hero. After Chinese conquered Bumla, so they advanced towards towards Jaswant. So this place, just before Sela Pass, and you can see this history. The Jaswantgarh War Memorial is a testament to the bravery of the Indian soldier against impossible odds. The memorial pays homage to Real Man Jaswant Singh Rawat. Mahavir Chakra has been awarded for him for 4 Garhwal Rifles, who laid down his life resisting the Chinese army's march at Jang for about 72 hours, along with 2 other soldiers during the 1962 war. The war memorial has been specifically and purposefully designed to respect the local religious sentiments and be in harmony with beliefs of the people. The traditional gate and the main memorial sanctuarium is a tribute to the local population who had contributed immensely to the war effort in 1962. You can see that with Jaswant Singh, the locals has supported with only 2 soldiers, but contributed immensely to the war effort in 1962 war, and reflects the unflinching bond that the Indian Army shares with the locals and their beliefs. This war memorial has been redeveloped and upgraded by Indian Army with full-hearted support of Shri Pema Khandu, Minister of Tourism of Arunachal Pradesh. So we can see this is a war. It's just after Jang. So we'll go into the memorial. These 2 real heroes, Jaswant Singh, Joginder Singh and Jaswant Singh. So rightly they are awarded with the highest military honors. In homage, all ranks 19 Garhwal Rifles, 2007 to 2010. He's our brave heart. What a fascinating story. So in the memory of all the soldiers who laid down their lives for the nation. Garhwal rifle. So here's the main statue. Jaswant Singh.
NCC salute.
Jaswant Singh. Salute. So. మీకు అర్థమైందా?
తెలిసిన స్టోరీ కాబట్టి కొద్దిగా
ఈ చెట్టు దగ్గర చనిపోయారంట. కొమ్మ దగ్గర ఇదే చెట్టు ఇక్కడ ఎప్పుడు పోయాడు? ఈ చెట్టు దగ్గర ఇక్కడ చనిపోయాడు ఆయన. అందుకనే ఆయన రోజు వస్తారని నమ్ముతారు.
So you know what? Like some the enemies are going in the market. They're taking people like hospitals. This guy is coming with food. Slightly cutting like that. Okay. Like
fish the other one. That one fish like this is like It's like
So this is the place where Jaswant Singh has given his life for the nation. Jaswant Singh's Smriti Sadan.
ప్రశాంతంగా చదువుకోవడానికి మాకు కావాల్సిన వాట్సాప్
చిన్న చిన్న అంత చిన్న పిల్లల్లో ఉంది.
Ray. Okay. Come. Very main that is important.
గోపాలు అన్ని ఫోన్ ఉంది తెగండి పాస్వర్డ్ ఏమంటారా మరి పాస్వర్డ్
The flags on top of that small peak, that is called Chinese graveyard, where all this 300 Chinese soldiers died in this great battle, was buried. So that's the Chinese graveyard. What an experience here in Jaswantgarh. A truly remarkable experience. It's like, when you hear these stories, it's goosebumps. What a soldiers. So amazing and fascinating story. So how can such unprepared battalion of brave Indian soldiers, stalled 300 plus Chinese soldiers with full force marching towards Tejpur. Really salute to these guys.
His dad is full immortal.
Salute.